How to fix Apple ID verification code not received on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Apple ID verification code not receiving on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to assure that you have the stable internet connection on your iPhone. So for that you'll have to just open the settings, and from the settings you'll have to just go with your Wi-Fi connection, and from here you can easily confirm it, and after you confirm it you'll have to just back from here, and from this section you'll have to go with the option general. Okay, so from the general section you'll have to just scroll down, and from here you'll have to just go with the option VPN and device management. Alright, so from this section make sure that you are not connected to a VPN, so you have to turn it off, and after you turn it you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section again you'll have to go the options like transfer or reset iPhone, so simply tap on it. Alright, so from this section you'll have to go the option reset, and now from here tap on reset network setting. Okay, so from here you'll have to just verify with your iPhone passcode, so after you confirm it you'll have to just back from here, and from this general section again you'll have to go the options like date and time, so simply tap on it. Alright, so from the date and time section make sure that you have turned on these options like set automatically, so simply you have to turn it on, and after you turn it on you'll have to just back from here, and from this general section again you'll have to just go with the options like software updates, so simply tap on it. Alright, so from the software update section, if you have any updates are pending on your iPhone you'll have to just update the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So after you done all of the procedure on your iPhone you'll be able to fix your verification code not receiving problem on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.